Good afternoon, everyone. I just wanted to come on here and just put in my 2 cents in this whole buy black, supporting black businesses, and let's help each other grow. My problem with this whole thing, I have, for the past 3 years, since I've started my own business, I've made it a point to go and support black businesses. What I noticed that's lacking and missing is the urgency of providing customer service to people. Yes, you go in, even if it's a restaurant, you go in, you sit, you wait, there's no urgency. The IHOP thing passed. We were boycotting IHOP. If you're boycotting IHOP, what are you replacing it with? What are you providing people that's always busy running around looking for a place that provides fast customer service to go eat? Starbucks. We boycotting Starbucks. Are we creating new coffee houses that's providing equally service as Starbucks is providing to people? This whole thing, to me, and I've tried, and I've only been going around Fort Lauderdale, Palm Beach, and Miami sometimes. When I do go into a black-owned businesses to provide them with my hard-earned money, the customer service is always non-existent. If we want to do better, to expect better, we need to provide it. I sometimes take my son out. This is all going to be like a full circle for me. When you go to a concert, for example, I went to a concert, given the tickets were $30. At the door, it was $40. There's no problem. We are asking to support black artists. I'm talking about Haitians because for the past, this is what I've been supporting. You go to a concert. They say the concert will start at 10 o'clock. You get there at 10. It doesn't start until 1 o'clock in the morning. And it's like at 1 o'clock, that's when everybody's saying, test 1, 2, test 1, 2, test 1, 2. To me, that is a lack of respect for your customers. Whether you are selling music, whether you are selling food, whatever you're selling, if you are not respecting your customers, if you are not respecting the people that come out and show up for you, it's a disrespect. Whether it's a musician, your job should have been for you to come at 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, to come and make sure your sound was correct. And if your sound was good by then, you would have come on stage 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. I could see 11 o'clock because most people come around 11, 12 o'clock. It's like we have no respect toward one another. Yet, everybody's asking for us to support each other, No. In my business, if I say 2 o'clock, I am there at 1:50 because I have respect for you as a customer. And I am looking for the same respect with my money. As of right now, I will stop going to any kind of program that is not respecting my time as a customer. If you are not respecting my time as a customer, you do not deserve my money. I will stop buying CDs. I will stop buying music on iTunes, which I do. I will stop providing any type of money to you because you do not know how to respect me as a customer. If I go to your restaurant, you do not give me the service that I require, and I will talk about it. Because we need to start doing better. We need to start respecting one another. We need to start doing it now. It's not going to happen tomorrow. And if everybody said, oh, this is how it is, and we don't say anything about it, it will continue. As of now, if I go to your restaurant and I don't get the service that I required, if you are corporate, I will contact corporate. If you own, I will mention it to you. Before I go and make a video, I will mention it to you. And I have. And some of them have told me, we're doing our best. Your best isn't good enough. If giving people crappy service is your best, you need to rethink your whole business plan, because service is part of the plan. My name is Mosney Hoffley, and this is how I see it.
A Mosney way. Subscribe and like.